Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to forget the Bluetooth device on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is of course open your MacBook, and when you did that, you will have a screen in front of you like this. Now let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Finder, File, Edit and View. We also have the Go, Window and Help options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and forget Bluetooth device on MacBook. So to forget a Bluetooth device on your MacBook, follow these steps. First of all, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and select System Settings. So click on the Apple, and the second thing is System Settings, which you need to click on. Then in the sidebar, click on Bluetooth. So we have your name, then Wi-Fi, and then Bluetooth, which you need to go and click on. Now, after that, you need to find the device you want to forget in the list of paired Bluetooth devices. Click the X next to the device name to remove it. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Then just click Remove to forget the device. Your MacBook will no longer automatically connect to that Bluetooth device when you do this. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.